Whenever people hear about cybersecurity, the only job roles they get in their mind is either SOC analyst role or pentester role. But actually, there are different types of domains that can actually bring you in the field of cybersecurity. And today in this video, we'll be discussing 10 types of career paths that will help you to get in this field. And before getting into the video, let me introduce myself to you. Hey, I'm Mohammad Amir Khan, a recently passed out graduate in the field of cybersecurity. Actually, I'm a fresher right now and I want to clear all the doubts which a cybersecurity student or a IT student has so that he should not face that problems which I faced. And I'm making this video after a hell lot of research so that you don't have to waste your time. So let's get into the video. So the first career path in the field of cybersecurity other than SOC analyst job and a pen testing job is cloud security engineer. Right now, the entire world is in a hunt of quality cloud security engineers. If you have some nice amount of skills, you can easily crack a job. You may be doubting what type of skills do we need. So it's so simple. You need a hands-on experience in the clouds like AWS, Azure or GCP. And if you have a nice and proper knowledge, fundamental knowledge of networking, Linux or Kubernetes, you can easily crack a job with some nice amount of other projects. You may be thinking, what does a cloud security engineer do? The first and most thing is you need to secure the cloud. You need to handle the IAM, firewalls and all types of encryption, and then you need to secure your entire cloud from getting hacked by the attackers, because nowadays entire world is opting for cloud, due to which there are more chances of attacks getting attack on the cloud. So the second career path in the field of cybersecurity is DFIR. DFIR stands for Digital Forensics and Incident Response. You may be thinking it's quite sound like a detective type of job role. Then you're obviously right, because it is a job role in cybersecurity where you need to find out how does an attacker attack your PC or your device or organization, and it is to like investigate how and why did the attack has been done on you. Here you need to bring back all the breached data, or you need to do an autopsy of the computer and you need to find out the exact reason. Here you need to gain skills in Windows or Linux forensics or memory analysis or log analysis and some Wireshark tools. Then you are definitely ready for these type of job roles. So the third career path in cybersecurity is malware analysis or reverse engineering. Here you need to analyze and understand different types of malwares, viruses, trojans, ransomwares, etc. Here you need skills like sandbox analysis, IDA, reverse engineering, C++, and some basics of assembly. Then here you can easily crack a job in this. And do you know this is one of the most respected job career paths in cybersecurity. Let's move on to fourth. And the fourth cybersecurity career path is threat intelligence analyst. It is a job role where you don't have to fight against the attackers. Here you need to learn about the attackers. In this field, you need to understand, or you need to track down the attackers. You need to learn their trends, and you need to like some type of prediction before the attack happens on your organization or on your device. You need different types of skills like OSINT, Mitre attack, or report writing skills, etc. etc. So the fifth cybersecurity career path is application security engineer. This is for the persons who love both deployment and security at a time. Here you need to like secure your application at the time of deployment or at the time of development, and you can literally be with the developers all the time, securing their codes and review their codes that they are strong enough that they can save you from the hackers. And you will be thinking, what type of skills do you need? Here you need secure coding skills, strong API review skills, then reviewing the code written by the developers, and then OSAP top 10. And at the end, you need that type of mentality where you can deploy and you can also secure your entire application before deploying the app. If you don't need a job where high amount of coding or technical things are done, then this sixth career path is for you, which is GRC, governance, risk, compliance. Here, mostly you need to handle the security policies and risk assessment and different types of compliance in the compliance like ISO 27001 or NIST. And mostly what you need to do is communicate between the organization and then you need to do the risk assessment, and you just need to make reports and document that. And it is a work where least type of coding is done. So, and I think most of us are suitable for this kind of job roles. So let's move on to seventh. Now coming to the seventh career path in cybersecurity, it is a security engineer. See, it is a job role where you are the backbone of your entire company's security. Here you need to build and maintain your the infrastructure of your company's security, and then you need to keep an eye on the same tools, VPNs, EDRs, etc., which your company is handling between others. And you need some strong skills in networking, Linux, endpoint security, and same tools. And that's it. You are ready to go to these types of job roles. And in the eighth career path, we have cybersecurity consultant. See, it is one of the job role where you need again least type of coding skills, and I think you don't need any type of coding skills. What you need is soft skills. In this job role, you need to consult the organizations and give advices regarding to their securities, and you need to access the risk and give a proper planning to the companies. Most of the times, having a great knowledge on the security and having a good communication skills can improve this in a long career form to you. And in the ninth, we have IAM engineer. IAM stands for Identity and Access Management. With the name itself, you maybe know that what this type of engineer does. Here, you need to manage the access of the people whom to give and whom not to give, and mostly you need to take care of all the authorizations or authentication systems like MFA, SSO, etc. And you are responsible for the persons to access the cloud or your resources. Here, you need to have a strong skills on authentication protocols. And this job role is literally so critical, because if you grant access to someone who is not authorized, then literally your entire data can literally swiped off. So in the 10th and last spot, we have DevSecOps engineer. What does a DevSecOps engineer does? So mostly they are responsible for integrate security into DevOps pipelines, and they automate security testing. Most of the times they mostly focus on automation, because DevOps also does that, and you need tight skills on CI/CD, Kubernetes, Docker, etc. And this is one of the job role where you have a bright future, and literally you can have a long form of your future, and you can earn so much in this. So these were all the 10 different types of career paths in cybersecurity, other than the usual SOC analyst role and pen testing role. Literally, I have said this line hundreds of times in the video. And lastly, I just want to say you that cybersecurity is all about long form, patience, and dedication. You can't learn things overnight, and you cannot become someone overnight. It needs your hard work, and it needs your time and effort. So hustle for a year or 8 months or 10 months, then isolate yourself and give everything that you want to give and see the results. Because here, don't go for salary or money, because at some point you can earn, because if you go back of money and you don't learn that amount of skills, then at a point you remain isolated, and all of the people who studies with you move on. Because cybersecurity is a department where the entire data of the people is in your hands, and if you do a certain amount of subtle mistake, everything just get ruins off. So whatever department or domain you are choosing, give yourself 100% and give yourself time and adjust yourself in that role, that no amount of mistakes is done from your side. Because at the end, money can be earned back, but not the trust of the people. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. This is my first YouTube video in this account. I think I have 0 subscribers while I am recording this video. I hope you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Till then, meet you with another video. And if you want roadmap of any of the job role, you can just comment on that job role. I will definitely send you the link of the particular roadmap. Till then, bye bye. Keep hacking, keep scanning. Meet you in the next video. Bye.